In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Ecwid account. Deleting your Ecwid account is a permanent action, so it's important to ensure that you've backed up any necessary information or data you wish to keep before proceeding with this process. Let's walk through the steps together, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First things first, head over to the Ecwid website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This action will navigate you to the login page where you have various options to sign in. If you've been using your Google account to access Ecwid, choose the Sign In with Google option. This option streamlines the login process by linking your Ecwid access directly to your Google account, making it quicker for repeat logins. After selecting to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your Ecwid store. This is to ensure that you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or stores. Now, once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Ecwid control panel. This is essentially the brain of your online store where you can manage products, orders, and much more. But our focus today is to guide you through closing your account. In your Ecwid control panel, scroll down until you find the section named My Profile. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list on the left-hand side. Once you find it, hover over the My Profile section to reveal additional options and click on Profile. In your profile settings, navigate to find the option that says Close My Account. It's imperative to note that clicking on this will start the process of permanently closing your Ecwid account. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. After clicking Close My Account, you'll be asked to confirm this action. Ecwid will prompt a yes or no option to ensure you are making this decision consciously. Click on yes if you're ready to proceed. This final confirmation is the last step in ensuring that you are fully aware of the decision to delete your account and all associated data permanently. Once you confirm, your Ecwid account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind, depending on the terms of service, there might be a grace period during which you can reactivate your account should you change your mind. However, it's critical to assume that once you confirm the deletion, there's no going back, and all your data will be removed from Ecwid servers according to their data retention policies. In closing, deleting your Ecwid account is a straightforward process, but one that should be considered carefully. Prior to deletion, ensure all necessary data, customer information, or product details you might need later are safely backed up elsewhere. Remember, once the account is deleted, the action cannot be undone, and all information associated with the account will be lost. That's all there is to it. You now know how to delete your Ecwid account. It's always a good idea to review and understand the terms of deletion and data retention policies of any platform. Whether you're closing your account to start fresh elsewhere or simply taking a break from e-commerce, make sure this decision aligns with your business goals and personal needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, taking action like deleting an account is big and irreversible. If you have any doubts or second thoughts, it might be worth exploring other options or reaching out to Ecwid support for assistance before making your final decision. Stay informed and choose wisely. See you in the next video.